Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing for Alicia. This is drawing number 10 for her and this time we are drawing on an A4 size paper. Today we will draw an epic Future Trunks Super Saiyan Rage design, very similar to these Vegeta and Gohan drawings. Alicia really liked this drawing design, and as Gohan and Trunks are her favorite characters, she wanted something like this. I'm starting with the smaller Trunks in front, and then I will draw the larger and raging version of him in the background, just like for the previous two custom drawings. These are some smaller commissions for Alicia. We did some huge ones together, and there are still some big drawings for her on my list, which she will start soon. She's a huge support. I really appreciate it, and if you guys are also interested in custom drawings, you can message me on Instagram, Facebook or email. The links are down below, and now we will create the line art for this drawing. Make sure to watch the whole video. Let's go. Perfect, the line art is complete, I really like it, both trunks look great, and now we will do the coloring. It's very important for me to use vibrant and matching color tones, and that's why I spent a good amount of time finding these perfect tones for the drawings before starting the coloring. The color tones I use are also mentioned, and if you are new to the channel, I always use ATEX, Ohuhu and Copic markers. These are my favorites. And as the Raging Trunks is surrounded by an aura, he will have a more shiny coloring, and that means I will give him a heavy shading, so the effect of the aura will come better and more intense, and also the larger Trunks will stand out more in this drawing. So let's make the coloring for him, and then we will talk again.
Pow.
Perfect! Super Saiyan Rage trunks turn out amazing. I love the vibrant colors and the heavy shading. For the smaller trunks I'm using almost the same color tones, but I will give him a more natural shading as he is not surrounded by an aura, and as I said, I want the Super Saiyan Rage trunks in the back to be the main focus of the drawing. Just some small differences, but in art, small details like this can make a huge difference and make your drawing way better. Perfect, now we are almost done, the drawing looks great and the only thing that's left is the aura of Raging Trunks. We will do this right now and then take a look at the final result. So guys, last touch and then commission number 10 for Alicia is done, and I think this is an amazing drawing. It's very eye-catchy, vibrant, badass, and the coloring really turned out great. Alicia is very happy with her drawing number 10 and soon we will continue with some huge drawings for her. If you want to redraw this drawing step by step, you should subscribe to my real-time channel because over there I'm uploading all of these drawings uncut and in full time. For commissions, send me a message on Instagram, Facebook or email and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next